Look at this split screen. On the left, a family dragging 3 checked bags through an airport terminal. On the right, a traveler moving with a single, well-fitted backpack. Welcome to the Logistics Lab at Adventures Abodes. I'm Kelly Bennett, and if you are a value-driven decision-maker looking to optimize your travel logistics, you are in the right place. Today, we are engineering a zero-friction vacation. We are going to bypass the baggage carousel, save hundreds of dollars, and buy back hours of your time using a strictly calculated carry-on system. Because luggage is the primary source of logistical friction. How you pack dictates exactly how your family's trip begins. Every flight has a sticker price, but there is a secondary penalty you pay at the airport, which we call the family friction tax. Airlines charge $35 each way for a checked bag. Multiply by 4 family members, and you lose $280 before boarding the plane. Factor in the delay. Standing at baggage claim costs an average of 45 minutes of active vacation time. Those 45 minutes dictate whether you make your dinner reservation or whether your kids hit a meltdown threshold in the rental car line. To bypass this tax entirely, you need a high-quality, secure travel backpack with locking zippers. Checking a bag guarantees you will start your vacation stressed, delayed, and $280 poorer. The method to avoid that penalty is zonal packing. Look at this setup. The core rule is simple. Assign one distinct color cube to each specific family member. Blue for you, red for your partner, green and yellow for the kids. The system breaks when travelers overstuff these cubes. Forcing too many clothes inside creates a bulky, rounded shape. Instead, fold items flat so the cube maintains a tight rectangular structure. A flat, structured cube slides perfectly into the backpack's main compartment, maximizing every square inch without stressing the zippers. Do not mix colors or cross-pack zones. If a red shirt ends up in the green cube, you destroy the system's logic and create unpacking chaos at the hotel. By isolating items by color and maintaining flat geometry, you transform a floppy cloth bag into a structured, highly portable filing cabinet for your family. Now let's put this system to the test in a high-stress scenario, like a morning at a theme park. We use a technique called the morning pull. You pack the most immediate, essential items, like sunscreen, snacks, and park tickets, in a specific cube right at the top of the bag's architecture. If you bury those critical items under layers of clothing at the bottom of the stomach, you force yourself to unpack your entire setup in the hotel lobby. With the morning pull, you execute a single, targeted zipper pull to grab exactly what you need in seconds. No digging, no fumbling through a disorganized suitcase. This strategic architecture buys back your morning, providing a reliable system for high-speed departures. You bypass baggage claim, you keep that $280 friction tax, and you secure stress-free mornings. These are the exact frameworks I use to engineer my trips. We have built the family travel template and the Disney World survival guide to map out your logistics. Stop doing the math on a napkin. You can download these specific templates using the link in the show notes. Stop dreaming, start planning, and travel smarter. I'll see you out there.